Okay, we have a lot to do for today. So just come along for the ride. We're gonna check on the baby chicks. These guys are be 9 days old right now. I think somebody's a little upset here. Now that is off, and it we're getting old. We can't measure right. Take the scissors and you cut holes, little holes through it. So when it rains, the rain can go down through. But usually when it rains, when I know it's going to rain, then I'll take this off and pull it back. You can see where it is shading. It protects it here, but when the morning sun comes up, it can go through the fence and they can get the morning sun. And then through the hottest part of the day, this like shades it. Then you got the evening sun, which isn't so hot, and then they can still get, you know, some light.
We took some 8-foot 2x6s, cut down to 4-foot sections, cutting little notches on the ends of them for to drive down to the garden for garden stakes.
It's cheaper than the stakes, the ones you in the stores, isn't it?
Yeah, a lot cheaper.
A lot cheaper. So because we got this wood for nothing.
Yeah.
And
it was really cheap.
It was really cheap. Yeah, it was cheaper than cheap.
Yeah. Cheap,
all right. Cheap. Okay, guys, we're going to wrap the day up here. We got all the posts in. Tomorrow we will put the fencing around it. So in the meantime, we got to get our baby chicks in and get some of the animals fed. Okay, guys, thank you, and take care, and thanks for watching.